Do you love that garlicky goodness of Domino's garlic bread? Let's make it at home right from the scratch. It's a super simple and delicious snack. So here is a list of ingredients you will need. Let's start by making our dough. In a mixing bowl, combine your sugar, instant yeast and warm water. Mix them together, cover it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the yeast is foamy, add flour, milk powder and salt. Stir everything until the dough starts to come together. Now start kneading the dough. Add some olive oil or butter while kneading it. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's soft and elastic. If it is too sticky, you can add a little more flour. Now bring the dough together, grease the bowl, put the dough in the bowl and cover it. Let it rise for about 1 hour or until it is doubled in size. Now while the dough is rising, let's make the garlic butter. Warm the butter slightly. To this, add minced garlic, oregano and fresh parsley or coriander leaves and mix them well. Now that the dough has risen, let's punch it and divide it into 2 equal parts. Now roll the dough into a circle about half an inch thick. Spread a generous amount of garlic butter over the dough. You can also sprinkle some grated mozzarella on the top. Now fold the dough in half to seal in all that deliciousness. Press it down gently. Put some slits on the dough. These will be your garlic breadsticks. Now place the prepared garlic bread on a greased baking tray. Brush some more butter on the top and sprinkle some oregano also. You can also add some chili flakes. We will be baking it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or in a preheated kadhai on a medium flame for the same time. And these beauties are ready. For the extra kick, brush the warm garlic bread with some leftover garlic butter and trust me, it makes all the difference. And now it's time to dig in. The perfect balance of crispy crust, soft inside and loads of garlic flavor. Do try it.